everybody, it's Brandon from All American Thrills here, and this is our 6th Wicked Cyclone construction update at Six Flags New England from Alt Air. What you're seeing now are just some clips of the progress that's been made on Wicked Cyclone so far. Now we're taking off for today's brand new update. Lifting up, you can now see in about the middle of the structure, the first inversion is now halfway finished and inverted now at this point. So Wicked Cyclone's track now has reached the point that it's upside down. As each week, as we're seeing the ride come together more and more, we're really starting to see how twisted the track is going to be. That first inversion right before you go into it, and as you're going into it, you're flying underneath the lift hill, so that should be very thrilling. It definitely looks like it's going to be a nice smooth inversion, and it should have some hang time in it too, probably. There's a magnified, zoomed-in version of the new track that's gone up since our last update, which, as I mentioned, is that first inversion. And now here we're just doing another flyby, so you can get a nice good look at the site. They've added the catwalk on top of the lift, and they started to paint the original Cyclone structure into that wicked gray color that the whole structure is going to be, and the whole support structure eventually will be all that wicked gray. Can't really get enough of these angles. Alt Air now coming in for a landing. Alright, well, there you go. That wraps up our 6th Wicked Cyclone construction update. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All American Thrills here on YouTube. Like us over on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And keep tuned for our next Wicked Cyclone construction update. See ya, everyone!